Hello students, welcome to SAM classes. So today we'll be discussing about NDA. So exam is just 100 days away from us. And a lot of people, they have got disheartened that 100 days not more enough for us to complete the whole syllabus. We haven't started anything. What to do? The first thing you need to understand, what is NDA? Now a lot of people, it's just a goal. For a lot of people, it's just a dream. Now understand, NDA is a goal, is a dream, but more than that, it's a way of life. So if you are aiming for something big, you have to work really damn hard. Now, for boys and girls attempting the NDA-1 2022, this crash course we are bringing for the 100 days. And in this crash course, we'll be talking about what we'll be giving. We'll be talking about for whom it is. Now, understand first, it is for those people and those students who are damn serious about this election and they want to be in the NDA. Now, understand the next important thing is it is starting from tomorrow. Everything will be given. 25th was a start date. So today we'll be putting up the videos from today onwards. And before the exam, we'll be finishing up everything. Now, whatever support and platform you want from us, from our side, so that you can reach your goal, we are trying to provide by this crash course. Now, second thing and the most important thing that we need to understand is the NDA part, what else we are providing to you. Now here you need to understand, we're providing you the recorded lectures, we're providing you the lectures in English, English and Hindi mixed. We are giving you AITC, all important theory and concepts. We're providing you all important questions, the PDF notes on each chapter in a detailed way, PYQ previous years, almost 30 years. Student almost understand almost 30 years. Everything we're trying to put it up. NCRT line by line explanation so that your concepts are rock solid. Sorry for that. And 5 mock test. Very, very important to check the timings and everything. Okay. Now coming to the next, the teaching methodology, how will we deliver the course and everything. First of all, it will not be a chapter wise video lectures. It will be a topic wise. So that, see, we know that the students' concentration span is just 15 to 30 minutes. So we have made small topics for each chapters. Like let's say a chapter is divided into 10 topics. And out of those 10 topics, each topic we have taken 15 to 30 minutes. The video is there. Applications are there. Examples are there. And once you have done, what you have done is in the video format, we have given the option once you are reading a video, once you are watching a video, suddenly let's say you are not able to understand one single line. So what you will do? Panic? No, not that. What you have to do? There will be a doubt button. It will be coming very soon. You'll press the doubt button. That part of the video will be sent to us. Okay, the student is having doubt in this part. So the student is having doubt in this concept and we'll try to clarify. The team will work on that to clarify your doubt as fast as possible. The second thing is, after every video of 15 to 30 minutes containing detailed, simple, theory in simple and illustrated manner, examples are given to make the things go towards your head properly. Okay, so we have made the chapters and everything like in such a light way so that you can understand also at the same time and you can work hard also. Now, the most important thing is, after learning of one single concept, you want to practice a test. So what you have done is, after every single concept, they have given you one small test which contains 3 easy questions, 4 average, and 3 difficult questions. So once you're able to attempt, you can have the assurity, okay, in this chapter, this topic is rock solid. Okay, so after the whole chapter, there is a chapter test, but we have given for each topic also topic test comprising of 10 questions so that you can check whatever it is, whether you have understood the topic well and good or not. Now, and that too, once you have done the checking and everything, that marks will be highlighted and stored in your dashboard. We'll try to bring it soon and you'll be able to analyze, okay, this chapter, this topic is weak, so I can reconsider on that. Now, what things maximum we are providing to you in details, I'm just putting it up, like everything, NCRT, everything, exemplar, everything, RD Sharma, we are putting it up, PYQ, almost 30 years. So that's from our side. Work hard, enroll only and only if you are dedicated and you really want to work hard and do good. That's it. Jai Hind.